What's up, dudes? We're back. So we got a few things going on. Timing belt, jump start pack, this one's gonna hurt. So I ended up with this basically through someone needing to get rid of it. Kind of just got given it, which is kind of cool. Mechanically it's not too bad, probably needs a service, but like the interior is kind of missing and also super disgusting. So I know you guys can't smell it, but it's ridiculous, like it's rough. So it apparently gets wet on that side. I'm not really sure if someone left the door open or something, but it's all wet down there, which is sick. I had a carpet that we ripped out of Dowling, had one and sold it, and I got the interior out of it. Well, I got the carpet out of it, which is sick. So that's super budget. Pretty sure I got my super spare wheel in here. A whole bunch of interior pieces I need to figure out. A speaker that did work. Pretty sure the rest of the head unit wiring's gone. So basically, a really good friend of mine, Eddie, needs a car, and basically just gonna give it to him. But first we gotta put it all back together. So kind of got stitched. The battery's very, very flat, so we're gonna deal with that and hopefully jump start it. So I'm gonna come back if I can get it jump started and get this weed out of it. But yeah, it's just a stock D series. Some ultra cool socks and dress up washers. Yeah, so we'll get this jump started and come back to you hopefully. Hooked up. Let's see if she starts. Hopefully we can get this bad boy to spin. Hey, we got lights. All right. Yo. Sick. All right. So we've managed to get it to temperature and it doesn't seem to be leaking or anything crazy. And things seem to be working. However, the water feature is pretty bad, so we're gonna have to clean that up at some point. Like hopefully today if we have the things to do that. But yeah, it's pretty grim as you can see. So step one's gonna be take out the remaining interior. And once I got all the remaining interior out, I will vacuum it and obviously dry up that shit. And then once we've vacuumed it, we will probably wash it all down. Try and get this smell out. I don't know what the smell is, but there's a smell. If you could smell smells, internet, you would be smelling some real fucked stuff. So I'm gonna try and get the smell out. We'll see how we go. But in the meantime, we're gonna rip everything out and deal with that. So I'll probably come back when I've ripped everything out. Alright, so I've cleaned it out a bit, and this is what we've got. So it's pretty gross. A little bit of water in the boot, a whole ton of dirt, one working speaker, half a quarry worth of rocks, an interior piece down there. We'll get through to the front in a bit, but so far we've got a super spare wheel, some boot pieces, a center console, well, part thereof, a a boss kit for something, the front grille, the spare wheel that has a hole in it, well, the main wheel that has a hole in it, and the spare wheel, and then obviously I have carpet and some rag. So I'll keep stripping the interior. And alright, so we got through a lot of it. I got the front seats out, the back seats just fell out, they weren't really bolted in or anything. Yeah, I think I found the source of the smell too. Sick. So, I'm gonna start emptying it out. I'm gonna get some toilet roll or kitchen roll and start cleaning up the pond. And that'll get some of the smell out for now. And then I'll vacuum it out. Because, you know, it's mouldy as shit in here. Because obviously when the sun's hitting it, it's moulding up. But yeah, so I ripped out any trims I could rip out. And I'm gonna vacuum it. We'll come back when I have some sort of progress on it. But hopefully we should at least get it vacuumed out today. Which would be sick. Once upon a time, in a dirty ass Honda, far, far away from nowhere. Alright, anyway. So I vacuumed it, and it's a fair bit less crap. Kinda has a floor now. Less rocks. I still have a pond. Welcome to my ponga. But whatever. It's kinda better. So I'm going to put this car away for now, and just throw everything like there. And deal with it later. But it's better. I still gotta clean out that side, but that's gonna take ages. So I'll deal with that later. But you know what to do. Like, comment on how gross this is, and probably don't keep watching these because it's gonna be pretty miserable for a while. But whatever. Or if you like spooky stories, sign in. F&E's got the ghost stories coming up, boys. But we're out. Have a good night. Peace.